We're going to review area model. Area model is a strategy of multiplication. Remember, math is all about strategy, so use the strategy that works best for you. But today, we're going to talk about area model. When we use area model, just like any other strategy, we must follow certain steps to reach the correct answer. So let's work out our problem, 5 times 71. Our first step is to decompose, break apart, or in other words, expand our numbers. We only need to break apart the numbers that are multi-digit or have more than one place. When we look at 5, there's only one place, the ones place. When we look at 71, there's two places, the ones place and the tens place. So we can expand that number. When we expand it, we need to show the values. 1 is 1, and 7 tens is 70. Our next step is to draw our box. We split our box based on our expanded numbers. For the 5, we didn't expand it, so we don't need to split our box for 5. But we did expand 71. We expanded it, and it gave us two numbers. So we need to split our box so we have two pieces, one piece for the 70 and one piece for the 1. Our third step is to place our numbers. I'm going to place my 5 on the space or the place that I did not expand or split. On this side, I'm going to put my 70 and my 1. Our fourth step is to multiply. Just like if we were finding the area of a garden, we would multiply length times width, or if we were looking at a TV, we would multiply row by column. The same thing here. We're going to take this side and multiply by this side. 5 times 70 gives us 350. Or we can look at it this way, ignore that 0, and take 5 times 7, that gives us 35, and then we tack on that 0. And then we multiply 5 times 1, and that gives us 5. What we just found is the area of each piece. Now our fifth and final step is to add up what's inside our boxes so that we can find the total area. So I'm going to take 350 and add 5. And that gives us 355. So what did we just do? If someone were to ask us, how do we do area model? Our first step is to decompose. Our second step is to draw and split your box. The third step is to place our numbers. Our fourth step is to multiply. And our fifth and final step is to add up our boxes. That is area model.